Hello everybody, a quick update. I'm back. Did a little exploring on a different location of this church, secret church area. So a little quick update before I leave because it's getting dark. There's the sun way over there. So anyway, it's 6:46 p.m. 47% of my 47% of my smartphone, and hold on, let me disconnect Bluetooth real quick. There we go. 46% with a 83.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So, anyway, about the tablet challenge, I promised y'all another video. Well, I didn't really promise anything, but yeah. It is at 93% right now. 93% as I was riding my bike around two places to a place in Ingress Prime. So, this tablet does not does not work with the Google Play Store. I mean, I can't even do anything with it because, yeah, this power bank has 78%, and that's how much it almost took for this tablet to charge. So, didn't really do anything much on it yet. 93%, 78%. So, yep, almost done now anyway. So it'll be good for a while, but might eat a little bit of power from this thing. But it took about 78% of power for the tablet to be almost full or close to full. So yeah, that's the update. Anyway, that's it. Bye now. We'll be leaving this place and going back inside and do some other stuff. So anyways, we're done now.